Look at the question now. Question number 2.8. In parallel plate capacitor, the air between the plates, each plate has an area how much? 6 into 10 power minus 3. So area is given to how much? 6 into 10 power minus 3 meter square. And distance between the plates is how much given? 3 millimeter. So I'll write distance is how much? 3 millimeter. That is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Conversion from millimeter to meter. Calculate the capacitance of a capacitor. We need to find capacitance of a capacitor. We need to find. What is the formula for capacitance? Epsilon naught A by D. So what is the value of epsilon naught? 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 into area 6 into 10 power minus 3 divided by distance between them 3 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3 cancel. It is going to cancel 2 times. It will become what now? 17.7 into 10 power minus 12 farad, or I can say now 17.71 picofarad. Okay, that is what now? New capacitance. Or approximately we can say like this 18 picofarad also. Not a issue. Look at the next part of the question now. Okay, that is done. If this capacitor is connected to 100 volt supply, what is the charge on each plate? See here, they're asking. They're not asking the total charge. They're asking what now? Charge on each plate. Now again the formula Q equal to C times of V. So see how much we got? 17.708 into 10 power minus 12 into 100. It will become one student. It is now. It will be 17.708 into 10 power minus 10. That is a charge. That's it, no? Because 100 means 10 power 2. 10 power minus 12 is it's going to cancel, become 10 power minus 10 coulomb. So this question is clear. This question is based on what formula? Capacitance depends on epsilon naught A by D and Q equal to CV. These two formulas we used in this question. Okay. Yes. Have a look at the next question now. Question number 9. Explain what would happen if in this capacitor given the exercise 2.8 means previous a 3 millimeter thick mica sheet. Okay, thickness is how much? 3 millimeter thick mica sheet. Let's say thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, that's the thing. Thick mica sheet of dielectric constant how much? 6. So K equal to 6 were inserted between the plate. Okay, were inserted between plate. First question they ask me A part of the question. While the voltage supply remain connected means when the battery remain connected. Like this, I'm going to draw now a simple diagram. A capacitor and it's connected to what now? Battery. Battery. Okay, initially the distance between the plates of the capacitor, how much is given in the previous slide? That is 3 millimeter the given. Initially they given. So same formula using now. Okay, 3 millimeter. And here also we're going to introduce 3 millimeter mica sheet. So it is completely filled, right? So this is the effect of dielectric. This concept is on based on what now? Effect of dielectric. On what? On capacitance. So as we introduce dielectric constant of dielectric constant value, let's say K, and it is given here 6. Now what will happen? While okay, A part, while the voltage supply remains connected means battery potential remains same. What will happen to the capacitance? See, capacitance will be what now? C equal to K times of epsilon naught A by D. So I can say K times of C naught means between when it was here. So how much we got when it was here? 18 picofarad almost. So it will be what now? It will be 6 times of C naught is 18 picofarad. So what are we going to get now? 18 multiplied by 6. You're going to get 108. That's your answer. 108, 18 picofarad, right? It is. So 108 picofarad, that is the capacitance. See, after you remove supply or battery potential remains same. So capacitance remains same. Now we need to look at the charge value, what will happen? Because they are asking for charge. See, potential remains same. V remains same. Because it is connected to battery. How much potential is there here? Same potential will be there when the battery is connected. Capacitance becomes this much. Now charge become what now? Charge Q. It will become K times of Q naught. Q naught means charge when it was air medium. So it will be 6 times of Q naught in the previous slide. How much we got? It is almost again now 18. 18 into 10 power minus 10 coulomb. So here also it will be 18 into 10 power minus 10. So it will be 108 into 10 power minus 10 coulomb. That is a Q. Sir, look at the B part, sir. No, B part. This A part is done. Sir, after the supply was disconnected, as you remove the supply, what will happen? Again, even you remove supply or without removing supply, this potential will be there, this capacitance will be there now. Again, remains increases. So capacitance becomes again what now? K times of C naught. Okay, 6 times of 18 picofarad. So it will become 108 picofarad. Capacitance increases. But what about the charge now? As capacitance increases, its holding capacity increases, right? Charge holding capacity increases. But since the battery is disconnected, from where it can get the charges? Nowhere, right? So since it cannot get the charges, even though the capacitance will become more, so charge remains what now? Charge remains constant. That is equal to what now? Q naught. So previously, how much Q naught is what there now? So 18 into 10 power minus 10. Charge remains same. What about the potential? Potential become what now? V naught by K. Potential will drop. Potential will decrease as you remove the battery after introducing what now? A dielectric slab. Okay, potential will drop. So since they're asking only capacitor and charge in your previous slide, so that is these two are enough. Okay, this is the thing. So can we move on to the next question? I think 2 more questions are there. That's it. Yes. Next question is, a 12 picofarad capacitor is connected to 50 volt supply. How much electrostatic energy stored in the capacitor? So this is on what topic, students? Energy stored. Energy stored in a capacitor, that topic it is. So what is the form? Okay, given what now? Capacitance C is given. How much it is? 12 into 10 power minus 12 farad. Pico means 10 power minus 12. Battery, how much is given? V equal to 50 volt. Now we're going to get energy stored what now? Equal to half CV square, we proved. So 1 by 2 into 12 into 10 power minus 12 into 50. We're going to get that 6 times. It will be what now? 300 into 10 power minus 12 joule. That is the energy stored in the capacitor. That's your answer. Okay. Yes. Next question, last question of the class. A 600 picofarad capacitor is charged to 200 volt. It is then disconnected from the supply and connected to another uncharged 600 picofarad. Then how much electrostatic energy is lost in this process? So little bit I need to do workout here. So what workout we should do, sir? Initially there was a charge. There are 2 capacitors are there. Okay, C1, C2, both are same capacity. First capacitor is connected to what? A battery, but not second capacitor. First capacitor, let me take now. C1 is how much? 600 picofarad. C2 also 600 picofarad. Initially, so connected to what now? V1, how much? 200 volt, and V2 is how much? 0 volt. Why 0? Because second capacitor is not connected to battery. Okay, initial energy stored here what now? Ui equal to energy stored in these two capacitors, right? Okay, first capacitor of C1 V1 square plus of C2 V2 square. That is initial energy stored. So half C1 is how much? 600 into 10 power minus 12 into V1 is how much? 200 square plus, look at C2 part, I'm not going to write now because V2 is 0. So second part complete becomes 0, so 0. So it will be 300 into 10 power minus 12 multiplied by, it will be 4 into 10 power 4. So I'm going to simplify this. 1200 into 10 power minus 8 joule. So initial energy stored. Now what we do? We connect them like this. As we connect them, what will happen? There is a sharing of charges will occur. What will happen? Sharing of charges will occur in this process. So due to because of sharing of charge, can we say initial charge equal to final charge? Initial charge is equal to what now? Final charge. Initial charge, how much is there? Total charge Q times of C1 plus C2. Okay, sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Yeah. So charge is given by Q equal to CV. So initial charge, how much now it is? C1 V1 plus C2 V2. Final charge, they're going to acquire what now? Common potential. So I can say now it will be C1 plus C2 times of V. Why I took V common? Because since both are connected, they are going to acquire a common potential. So now what will happen? Common potential V equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. So using this formula, I need to find a common potential between them now. What is the common potential, sir, between them? Look at now. C1 is how much is there? 600 is there. Okay. 600 into 10 power minus 12. V1 200 plus second part I'll take 0 because V2 was 0 divided by C1 C2. All right, 2 times of 600 into 10 power minus 12. So what is going to cancel here now? 10 power minus 12, 10 power minus 12. 600, 600. So we're going to cancel by how now? 100 times. So we're going to get common potential of us now. Common potential is 100 volt. Now I'm going to calculate final energy now. UF, I'm going to find final energy of C1 plus C2 into V square. That's the final energy 1 by 2. It is 2 times of 600 into 10 power minus 12 into 100 square. Okay, why I'm taking C1 plus C2? Because they're connected in what combination? Parallel combination. Okay, it is become what now? 2 and 2 is going to cancel. So it will be 600 into 10 power minus 8. Why 10 power minus 8? Because 100 square is 10 power minus 4. That is the final energy. Now they're asking what, sir? Lost in process means energy lost. What is the formula for energy lost? Delta U equal to U initial minus U final. U initial 1200 minus U final 600 and we taken 10 power minus 8 common. So it will be how much now? It will be 600 into 10 power minus 8 joule. How much energy lost? 600 into 10 power minus 8 joule is lost. That is the amount of energy lost. So this is about chapter number 2, all the questions, 11 questions. Any doubt regarding the students? You can ask me now. If there is no doubt, means we have a little more discussion. No doubts? Okay.